That my battery died. Like, I don't know how much it caught last time, but I said a little bit in the last video. I have to make a part 2 now. But the Kydex shrunk a lot more than what I was banking on. I originally gave myself about 2 inches extra, but after pulling it out of the oven and putting it in this press, it looked a lot smaller. I had to have shrunk easily 2.5 inches. So I'm looking at maybe being half an inch to an inch short on this. My toaster oven also, for some reason, I have it set to 250 and it was reading just under 400 degrees in there. And I tried, starting slow and slowly get the Kydex up to temperature, like I was talking about in the textbook, to get to it around 200. Was it? No, it's. Let me double check. It's around 300 degrees to 360, if I'm not mistaken, because 400 degrees is the melting point for it. Now it goes through its 4 stages. Let me see. Forming temperature range from 165 to 204 Celsius, 330 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I started at 250 degrees, but the toaster oven reached up to 400 almost immediately, so it wasn't able to fully heat. It started waving on the ends, but I started getting a glassy appearance on it, so it was up to temperature and ready. It flopped nicely, and it formed around decently well. But I'm afraid that it's not going to be what I was hoping it to be. But I'm definitely going to be trying this again. This isn't going to discourage me from continuing. But I'm going to go ahead and start the time lapse back up again. I'll probably set this outside. It's cooler outside. Help this cool a little faster. And then I will bring it back in and open it up. It's all done, so I'm going to go ahead and crack open and see what it looks like. Sorry for the camera shaking around. I don't exactly have the best camera setup at this point, so working on that. I'm going to go ahead and kick it into time lapse until I get it open. This is the end result. It doesn't look half bad. I thought it was going to end up a lot worse, but it does seem to be hugging the gun a little bit more. This is probably from back here. But I think I might still be able to work with this, and if not, then I will go ahead and redo all this for next week and next week's assignment. But I'm going to see if this is not salvageable. It looks like it married up with everything pretty decently, and I got the shape contort that I would like. But all in all, I'm going to get this out of here. Pulling off all my tape. I'll go ahead and do a time lapse until I'm apparently it just stuck to the tape pretty good, but other than that, it releases a little stiff. Holsters decent. But all this is the end of my class of FTT 114. Thank you.